Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an unboxing of some new storage from Paintsomeway. Now, I told myself I wasn't going to get any more storage, but I saw this one, and it was cute and kind of unusual, so I decided to go ahead and get it. What did I get? Let's see. So what I got was this very cute, round 60 bottle case with these cute butterflies, and it's purple. That's win-win-win, right? So it does have a little carrying handle, and it is a zippered case just like you see all the other ones, but it's round. So I was really curious to see how well this one is going to work, just to have something a little bit different. It is just the regular bottles, like any bottle case. There are 60 of them in here. You get some stickers to go on all of the bottles. It does also have the same little net pocket here in the top that you get with all the regular bottle cases. And then of course you get your little foam insert. But I thought this one was super cute, not just because you get the bottles here in the bottle case, but you could also use this for other things, like if you wanted to take the foam insert out and use it for something else. So super happy about this. I am actually going to be using this one to kit up a kit that I hadn't planned on doing, but I decided to go ahead and do it because it has been kind of laying around in my office, just kind of floating here and there. It was already out of the box and I just didn't know what to do with it, so it was just laying, and I thought, well, having this will be a good opportunity for me to kit it up and get going. So I've already got my drills from the kit ready to go, so I can grab this one and kit it up. So stick around and I will be right back. I've got to get my stickers made for this. I'm not going to use the ones that came with it, but I'm going to get this one kitted up. Don't go anywhere. Question number one is, because this is round, where do I start? Like, what do I consider number one? Do I start in the middle? No, that makes zero sense. Do I start on one of the edges and then go in towards the middle? I think that's what I'm going to do, because I'm actually starting at the back of my bags of drills, because I want to start with the ABs first and I want to get them all put in containers. So I've already gone through and made up my little stickers, and I've got them here. So let me peel off a couple of these and I will put them on the containers and we'll see. This will be an interesting experiment. I don't know if I'm going to kit up this whole kit in this video. We'll see how long it takes, but I do want to at least get the ABs kitted up. I'm not going to tell you guys what kit it is either, because I want it to be a surprise. It's a kit that I've already unboxed on the channel, but I'm sure you guys have heard me saying I really want to do a round kit, and this is a round kit. So I'm going to be doing this one first. So what makes the most sense? Do I want to go this way or this? I think I'll go clockwise. I think that makes the most sense. I think I'm going to start here, because that lines up with the middle one, and then we'll just do it. Who knew that having a cute round one like this would make it so that I was like, how do I want to do this? I know this is a bit unusual for an unboxing video. I guess it's turning into more of an unboxing and a kit up video at the same time, but I really wanted to see how I was going to do this, because after I looked at it, I was like, wow, it is really cute. I mean, I love the butterflies and stuff on the outside of it. I love getting kits where it's colorful rather than just the standard kind of plain black that you get, because it all looks the same and it's all kind of boring. So being able to have some options, like I think I got rid of most of my boring black storage. I think I have one left that's black. All of the rest of them have designs on them, just because that's more fun, and why not, right? So definitely wanted to try this out. Gosh, this kit has so many ABs. Now, this particular kit only has 49 colors, as you could probably tell, because that was 49 and I started from the back. And I have 60 bottles, so am I going to need multiple bottles for some of these colors? I am. I know for sure the white is this huge bag, so I'm definitely going to have more than one bottle for it. So I have 49, so that gives me what, 11 extras? And I'll need to put a sticker on that one, but for now I'll just leave it like that. I think all of the rest of these, is that all the ABs? I think it's all the ABs. Ooh, I got them all out of order when I pulled them out. Yeah, I think that's all the ABs. Okay, so hopefully most of the rest of these will go in one bottle because I've already used one extra, so now I'm down to 10. That one was extremely full, but I got it all in there, so that's good. I love that this kit has this many ABs. Ooh, this is white. Oh, so do then want to leave it? Because I'm going to get them all out of order. Oh no, I should be doing this one first. I was going to get them out of order. But then it is white, and I've still got these other two purples first. So do I want to put them? Maybe I'll just do those first, since they're going to be, there's going to be so many bottles. Gosh, how many am I going to get? I have 10 extra. Maybe I won't need to worry about it because I will have enough. I'm going to start with 4 for the white. You like how I change my mind every time I do something? That's par for the course for me, isn't it? Okay, let's just start with 4 and see how far I get. Is that even going to be half of this bottle or half of this bag? That's 2. I feel like I'm making a dent in it, but it doesn't look like 4 is going to be enough. Maybe 5? Gosh, this is a lot of white. Okay, maybe 5. Let me do 5. Is that going to get it all in there? I feel like I still might have a few left. All right, let me pour it this way. Yep, I'm still going to have a few left. Okay, so that's only 4 extra. So let me do this, because I'm pretty sure all of these are going to go in here. Because I don't think, so that's what, 5? Okay, 5 extra bottles. And then do I have any other ones that look like they might need more than 1? Okay, I've got just a couple of colors that look like they might take more than 1 bottle. The rest of them, I'm pretty sure they have few enough drills that they're going to go all in one. Oh, maybe the yellow. But other than that, I think everything else is going to be small enough. So it's cool that I have, what is this, 6 bottles of white? 5, and then the 6th one is only about half full. So it should get used up pretty quick. Okay, so I've just got my 2 ABs left, and then I'm going to call it quits. You guys, I would normally do the whole kit up, but I'm pressed for time today. I probably should have filmed this on a different day when I wasn't pressed for time, but that's life, right? Oh gosh, I wonder if I can get all of those in one. I'll have to see about that one too. Maybe I'm not gonna, well, wait, how many did I say? I had 11 and I've used 6. That means I have 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I might be okay. I might get them all in there when I finish kitting it up. All right, so there's number 43. This will be very interesting when I actually get set down to diamond paint and kind of figure out where all the colors and everything are. It might even sort of be like kitting up by symbol. Ooh, those are not all going to fit. Okay, so let me put those there, and then the rest of these can go in a second bottle. I think once I get diamond painting, it'll probably go pretty quickly because it's a round. You have no idea how excited I am that this is a round. Okay, I think I'm going to call that good there for today, guys. I just kind of wanted to give you an idea what this is going to look like. And if I have anything that won't fit, I shouldn't because the white was the biggest one. But if I have anything else that won't fit, then I'll just end up sticking it in the little pouch up here. Yeah, my latest cute little butterfly round 60 bottle kit from Paintsomeway. I will stick a link to this down below. I think that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Sorry this was a short one, but before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.